Hello, what's up, guys? This is just live on air with Muneeb Nawaz. He's a great guy, and just wanted to quickly do a live session. And what should we do in this live session? It's so funny. I'm just too funny. I don't know. I'm live, but I don't know what to do in my live session. So there's some people calling, but I just wanted to quickly come on live and let you guys know that I think tomorrow is Tuesday. So tomorrow I'll come on at 11 o'clock. No, not 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. जबकि पूरी दुनिया online होती है रात में 10 बजे. You know, the whole world is online and I don't know if I want to really be online at 10. So what time is good? Should I come online? Should I come online? What time? What time should I come online? Kal I'll come online. I think we'll make it around 4:35 Pakistan time. इफ्तार से पहले या 5 to 6 is good. 5 to 6 या फिर रात में 10 बजे क्योंकि 10 पे तो पूरी दुनिया होती है. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your compliments. I'm wearing lipstick. The days I don't want to really get ready, I just put red lipstick. So I look like I've dressed up. So after iftar, please keep this time. It works for us in England. Okay, Ambi? Yeah, okay. So maybe 11 o'clock tomorrow night. How about that? And let me try and get somebody as well because thank you, Muneeb. Love you. Thank you for your session and thank you for being you. Thanks. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to come on air tomorrow. And I'll do it around 11 o'clock or 11:30. So it's easy for people in England. A lot of people in the United States wake up, and people in Pakistan are generally awake as well. So jitne log that we would want to see will probably tune in, across. Unke liye, yeah. Hello, buddy. Love you, and you're looking pretty. Thank you. Live le mujhe, inshallah kal. So I'm going to get you guys live on air. And thank you guys for defending me to those who are passing some silly comments. Unko chhod de, I'll block them after this. Then they'll make another account, then I'll block them again. It's just one click for me. So thank you so much for standing up for me. But yeah, we'll figure it out. No problem. It's almost क्योंकि एक्चुअली सो इसलिए मैं शायद थोड़ी सी थकी हुई हूँ, मुझ में एनर्जी नहीं है क्योंकि सुबह से हम उनको बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि वो बच जाए और फिर उनको हम ऑपरेशन वगैरह करा दें. छोटा लाइव नहीं है कुरैशी. आई वाज एक्चुअली लाइव विद मुनीब, तो काफ़ी लंबा लाइव हो गया मेरे लिए, लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे लाइव इसलिए आई थी बताने के लिए. व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट इफ देयर स्कार्स ऑन योर फेस? यार माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, पीपल आर आस्किंग मी अबाउट माई स्किन अ लॉट. Night cream sometimes, and I put sunblock. Every day I put sunblock and I try and have as much water as I can, but there's nothing else I do. And my sister's skin's all very good, my skin's good, which obviously means that I think I got luckier genetically. So Allah ka shukar hai. Otherwise my skin's not very good. I mean, otherwise my skin wouldn't have been great because I don't do anything. But what I'm doing tomorrow is, so I don't want to admit this to you guys, what my weight is, but I've gained weight during lockdown. So I've gained weight and I've become 5 kgs more than I should be. मैं बता दूँ आप लोगों को मेरा वेट कितना है? मैं नहीं बताना चाह रही हूँ, कल बताऊँगी सोचती हूँ. तो कल से मैं कीटो डाइट शुरू कर रही हूँ एंड उसको 30 दिन करते रहूँगी. सो इफ्तार में भी कीटो और ये सब भी. एंड अनुश्री, कम live one day and do your makeup. I swear to you, I have no makeup. I put some kajal on because I was going live with Muneeb and I put this red lipstick. But there is no makeup on, so I don't know कि मैं क्या makeup video करके दिखाऊँ. I think I'm better without makeup. Mashallah, nazar na lage. Thank you. So I'm going on a keto diet and I start the diet tomorrow, inshallah. inshallah, and it's going to be 30 days of keto. Now I've heard really terrible things about keto, and I've heard some really good things about keto. I've heard कि बहुत suddenly बहुत ज़्यादा weight loss होता है and बाल भी गिरना शुरू हो जाते हैं and you start feeling very lethargic. But some people have also told me it helps with anxiety क्योंकि you cut the wheat and the sugar out of your diet. वो चीज़ें जो आपकी depression और anxiety को बढ़ाती हैं. So I was trying to not take so much medication. So I was trying to just lose that weight and not be very hardcore with their diet. Someone is saying it's not sustainable. Yeah, so a lot of people have told me that it's not sustainable, but the idea was to just lose weight. Keto is unhealthy for most people, I've heard, but varies from person to person. Exactly. So one of my friends is loving keto, right? And he's loving keto to the point where he's looking really good and he always had a weight issue, and now he's saying, I'm feeling really fresh. It will increase the anxiety and the lost weight will come back easily. Don't say that. No, I hope it doesn't come back easily. इतना मुझे weight नहीं lose करना, so I don't have a genuine issue of health or anything खुदा ना खास्ता. I just want to lose 5 kgs and keep it there. So I was thinking, I'll lose the 5 kgs from keto and then just go back to regular roti chawal, but once in a while. Keto is not good for joints. Achha, I don't know, because I have 2 friends who have been on keto and वो तो they swear by it. तो मैं किसकी बात मानूँ, maybe to each their own. Going on a vegetarian diet is great. Vegetarian is great. So I've stopped having meat on Mondays, and inshallah, may God give me the strength to do this. But I want to stop having beef because of red meat, too much consumption is not good. B, now they're all farm grown, and C, that I really feel bad for the animal. I don't know. I just can't handle even बकरीज. I mean, मुझे इनकी शक्लें देख के ना अब मेरा वो स्टेज आ गया ज़िंदगी के मुझे बुरा लगना शुरू हो गया है. So I'm getting into a very strange situation. जबकि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I'm a proud Muslim and I know कि अगर आप ठीक से हलाल करें जानवर तो उसका गोश्त आपके लिए बिल्कुल हलाल है, आपको खाना चाहिए. लेकिन मैंने कुछ कुर्बानियाँ देखी हैं और वो ईद के दौरान देखी हैं, वो इतनी बुरी होती हैं कि मेरा दिल नहीं करता कि मैं कुर्बानी का गोश्त वैसे नहीं खा सकती. तौबा, अल्लाह मुझे माफ़ करे, लेकिन मैं नहीं खा सकती क्योंकि आई डोंट लाइक कुर्बानी. आई कांट सी इट. एंड जिस तरीके से वो जानवर लड़ रहा होता है अपनी लाइफ के लिए, सो कुर्बानी तो मैं ईद जब आती है कुर्बानी वाली ईद तो मैं तो वेजिटेरियन एक हफ़्ता बन जाती हूँ वैसे, वरना मैं गोश्त खा लेती हूँ. लेकिन आई एम होपिंग कि मैं रेड मीट का कम कर लूँ या सिर्फ वीकेंड्स को मीट एंड बर्गर्स और ये वो रखूँ, और हफ्ते के दिन मतलब कि मंडे टू फ्राइडे अपना रेगुलर सब्ज़ी घर की और दाल और बिल्कुल प्लेन डाइट. खीरा हो गया, गाजर हो गए, अचार हो गया, थोड़ा सा बस. Just stick to whatever you feel comfortable with. So I don't feel comfortable with my weight. आजकल तो ये प्रॉब्लम ना. 5 kgs you will lose in 10 days, but then switch to low carb. हाँ, thank you. Sama, you're amazing. Sama Mukhtar. Sama, thank you. You're really giving me good advice. So 10 days के बाद I switched to a low carb, low fat, high protein. Yeah. ठीक है. And workout भी नहीं होता ना. I tried today डम्बेल्स लेके. आयशा अमर मेरी बड़ी अच्छी दोस्त है, उसके अमेजिंग वीडियोस चलते हैं. मैं जिस दिन एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ ना मुझे रोना आता है, तो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. लाइक आई कांट. ओके, धानी ज़िले is going to be blocked. But Anusha, you're looking perfectly fine. Don't lose late. Oh, thank you, Radha. So I'm not losing weight for anybody but for myself. So I'm only doing it for myself. But thank you so much. You're really kind. And yeah, I mean, everybody should only lose weight not because of societal pressures or people tell me. Nobody has told me. Mashallah, you guys have been so amazing and so loving. Always tell me you're looking good. Doesn't matter. However, for my own sake, because I can feel susti thodi si and thakan thodi si and bulky. Like I'm feeling a little bulky and heavy. Like, and also pakoras and samosas and jalebis for iftar are not helping. And ek zamane mein hota tha because we were younger. So our metabolism used to be like weight loss happens quickly, right? now weight loss does not happen like it used to happen in my 20s. So that's also something else. If you want to know more about keto diet, so what I'm going to do is, Anusha, that girl who oversized, text you to please console her in your DM. Okay, I'll try and find her. You can get your proteins from vegetables. You can get your proteins from vegetables. And then same here, I can't see it also, but I love steak. Yeah, Zafi, I love steak too. So once in a while, I guess it's okay. But generally, I don't think I'm going to be a very hardcore meat eater, because now that I started having meat also, so when I do have it, I can smell something. मुझे अजीब सी स्मेल आना शुरू हो गई है from meat, especially like all these farm meats. And in my own area in defense, I got out and went for a walk and I saw कि बकरियाँ जो हैं ये प्लास्टिक के थैले और हम जो कचरा फेंकते हैं अपने घर के बाहर वो खा रही थी. I was like, और फिर अब ये बिकेंगी और फिर हम इन्हीं को खाएंगे. So जो हम प्लास्टिक इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना, know that for sure that it comes around and goes back into your own system. Mr. Perks is saying, definitely agreed, animals need to be bred and slaughtered as humanely as possible. Yes, Mr. Perks, they really do. And animal slaughter is something that is very disturbing, very real, very cruel. And because the world has become so commercialized, right? So don't get me wrong, having meat is halal and you should enjoy the meat, but treating the animal in its death with respect and in its life to grow. अब क्या करते हैं, मुर्गी बड़ी ही नहीं होती. The मुर्गी is slaughtered within 2 weeks. उसी कोई ज़िंदगी नहीं है. It's basically बनाया खिलाया. So you don't give it time to grow. You don't give it time to feed. You don't give it time to become organic and natural. You just pump it with hormones. And cows are giving 5 times the amount of milk that Allah Miya has, given them. 5 times, because we've pumped them with so many injections कि वो बेचारा सारा दिन दूध देते रहती है, वो थक जाती है, and then 5 साल में ख़त्म, उसका सीन ख़त्म हो जाता है, and then she's slaughtered. So it's very, very bad. Vegetable smoothies, thanks Alpha, but they sound horrible. They sound like they'll taste really bad. Do not do keto in summer, just stop naan, roti and rice. Yeah, Arslan. Yeah, but then you know what I do when I don't have naan and carbs and I'm eating kheer every day. Believe it or not. Kheer and chocolates and I don't know what to do anymore. So I just thought I'd do keto for a month and then go into a normalish diet. Like ज़्यादा चावल नहीं, ज़्यादा रोटी नहीं, Saturday, Sundays, white bread तो बिल्कुल कट. कोशिश है लेकिन होगा नहीं. You don't just see कुर्बानी other days, but it's done the similar way of slaughtering. Yeah, exactly. A.R. Rahim is saying कि कुर्बानी और slaughtering भी ऐसी होती है, बस में नज़र नहीं आता. I know. In fact, I think worse होती होगी क्योंकि वो तो एक फैक्ट्री लगाएगी ना, खड़ जानवर को फेंका, खड़ जानवर को फेंका, खड़क जानवर को फेंका. For my skin, and I do that every day. And genetically, I don't know if you guys know, but I have some Vietnamese and Chinese blood in me. China, Vietnamese. So my nanny and a little bit of my family was from Burma. So I think genetically, their skin is better. Like they age later, thankfully, but and they're generally healthy, athletic type. So I'm not like my body type is not from Punjab or Sindh or India. So my body type is a little different because my family is from the middle, like Iran. So I'm thinking कि genetics का उसमें थोड़ा सा काम है. That skin and all is maybe just a little more heat. So I don't know what it is. Eat meat, go green. I'm a model. You might see me in drama soon, inshallah. Alea, congratulations. Simple proteins will help to meet the hunger. Yeah, eat breakfast and dinner, skip lunch. हाँ, ये भी कर सकते हैं. मैं तो अपनी नाश्ता नहीं करती. मैं तो इफ्तारी करती हूँ, ज़ाहिर सी बात है. तो और सहरी के बाद थोड़ा सा सो जाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं इतना वो नहीं करती होती. Who's saying what? मैं काफ़ी पीछे रह गई हूँ इसमें. Dhani Zile is desperately looking for attention. Let's not give it to him. Cut sweets and fried items. Trust me, portion control works better. I do trust you, but I can never do portion control. Bear the long comment. Food needs to be according to the climate. Living in mountains with no vegetation, animals are the only options. But in agriculturally rich Pakistan, we should eat more vegetables. Mr. Pex, this is what my father says as well. That if Pakistan has great vegetables and fruits, which means we need to eat the vegetables and fruits, because our land is producing it locally, and that is what is best for you, whatever is growing in your land. And we have the sea, right? So we have a lot of seafood, which we don't eat enough. So that's another thing that I want to touch upon, because I'm like, acha na mere mein samandar diya hai. The Makran coast is really big, the port is amazing, and why don't we just eat fish and put fish into our diet? So that's something to think about. So if you want red meat, you have it once a week maybe, but generally I think you should just maybe have red meat once a week, machli once a week, chicken once a week. ठीक है, 3 दिन तो हो गए, and then the rest of the day is vegetable. इतनी बड़ी कोई sacrifice नहीं है, हमें तो हर खाने के साथ vegetable की ज़रूरत होती है, meat की ज़रूरत होती है, which is not very healthy, because हर चीज़ में we putting meat into our diet. Like खाना without मुर्गी और without गोश्त seems like खाना नहीं है. But ईद में I think इसलिए दिया जाता था गोश्त क्योंकि it was a celebratory feast. ईद तब गोश्त पकता था. अब माशाल्लाह we all have access to meat 24/7, so we eat it, और हम बन गए हैं गोश्त खोर. So जब सिर्फ दाल चावल सब्जी होती है, मुझे लगता है मैंने खाना नहीं खाया. So yeah. Who else is saying what? I lived in Germany for the last 4 years. I literally came for good vegetables. Yeah, my sister also. She's in New York, and she's like, even the meat isn't good, and even the vegetables aren't great. But guys, thank you so much. So I'm going to tell you how keto goes. So I'm doing it. I know you guys are kind of discouraging me right now, but I've kind of made this pact with myself that I will do keto for a month, and I'll report back to you. So if I feel sick, I'm not going to be like, oh yeah, I'm not feeling sick. So I'll be very honest. And Anusha, do you do push-ups? So I don't exercise also. I used to play a lot of sports. Like I used to play a lot of tennis or swimming and stuff like that, but never ever working out. So what's the plan? Veggie? No, so the plan is to go on keto for a month. See if I can lose my 5 kgs, inshallah, and still feel good and healthy, and see if my anxiety and all are better in control. Then I'm going to, see step 2. What time is live tomorrow? So live tomorrow we're going to have around 11 p.m. Pakistan time. So thank you. People are saying you're looking really nice. I think it's my lipstick. So this is MAC, ladies. I got it from the MAC store from Sephora. But it's MAC. So I'll tell you the shade tomorrow. And Belgium. I've been to Belgium, Mariz. I've actually been to Belgium and I really liked it. What's the topic of tomorrow? So what do you think we should keep the topic, Alia? Please ask my question. When did you and Jugal meet? Maybe I can go live with Jugal. Jugal is an Indian artist, but then I can't take that chance because I don't want Pakistanis coming in and then saying India ye or abusing him, because he's a friend of mine, and I really love him and he's really helped me over the years, and I have a really good relationship with him, his wife and his child. So I don't want this whole India-Pakistan fight starting. Otherwise, I do have a few friends in India that I wanted to go live with. Let me see how much I can carry it. If in 10 days, 11 days, I'm feeling very sick on keto, I will leave it and I'll let you guys know. So I think I should do this. And for that, I'm going to have to tell you guys how much I weigh. So should I tell you guys? So apparently I'm not very heavy in terms of my meat, but I'm really healthy as in but I've even hit 60 kgs. Let's just keep it at that. I'm not discussing my weight. And I'm 5'6" now, so I'm tallish for Pakistani standards. So I don't think itna pata chalta hai. And I wear like loose clothes and all. However, I'm not underweight. My weight according to my height and size is fine. You weigh around 65 kgs. Arsalan, no, I weigh less than 65. Thank God. But you look like 68 kgs. See, so I do, right? So I want to be 65 because I don't want to be 66, 67, 68 or even 60 kg. I want to be 55 kgs. So the last time I checked the weighing scale, I was a little over 60, and I felt like slapping myself. And not because again I have issues with body shaming or people think I've gotten fat. I was feeling the bulk, you know. And I was like, this is not my body. My pants are getting very tight. My shorts feel tight. मुझे गर्मी बहुत लग रही है. So I want to lose it for my own health benefits and just be a good weight. I don't want to be thin. So 60 kgs बता दिया मैंने आप लोगों को on a bad day. So ऊपर नीचे होता है water retention ये वो पता नहीं body hormonal. So 55 kgs is what I want to go to. So tomorrow I start the silsila. There's this boy called Arsalan Bhavani. He does some keto meals in Pakistan, so he's going to be sending them to me. Actually, I have to fill out a form right now. So kal se ya parso se, but what I'll do is I'll keep you guys in the loop. So maybe every day, you know, I can make a little video and talk about, hey guys, I started my keto and I'm fasting. So keto and fasting together, yeah, I think it's possible. मुझे सारी के बाद इतनी भूख नहीं लगती, लेकिन मुझे क्योंकि मेरे घर में जो कुछ पड़ा होता है ना, अब्बा को शौक है, अम्मा बना रही है उनके लिए, तो मैं खा लेती हूँ. Samosa, pakora, patani, all the traditional things like sweets and everything. So 60 kgs अच्छा है यार, ठीक है, don't worry, go ahead. Saman, हाँ, Saman, no, 60 to was, I know 60 kgs is okay, but I feel like, no, I'm not liking the way I'm feeling about my weight. So I want to go down 5 kgs. And I want to feel healthy and feel fresher and look fitter. So I'm not, workout तो नहीं हो सकता मुझसे. What? Go for 53.5 kg, says Mist Air. Okay? I think it's a fad. Keto and all the diets, balances everything. Amna, that is the best thing you've ever said, because it is a fad. It is a fad. And, but you know, eating burgers is also a fad, and it's not the healthiest fad out there, right? So maybe if you make, a lot of people have made keto their life. So once it becomes your lifestyle, then it's not a fad anymore. These are your choices. So for me, I tried to quit white bread, but I love burgers. So I ended up having white bread. And then, you know, every desi khana comes with paratha or naan. Every salan, every handi, every kadhai. And I was like, how do I eat kadhai chicken, or how do I eat nihari without naan? Toast के साथ तो नहीं खा सकती, brown bread के साथ तो नहीं खा सकती. Zishan says, may Allah bless you and your family. Thank you. It keeps pausing. Yeah, because my friend is calling me. I think वो जो keto छोड़ेंगे कल. ठीक है? So I'm going to tell you guys how keto goes. And let's stay together for 30 days. And I'll make a video every day at the end of the day and let you guys know what's happening. And I've actually announced that I am 60 kgs, 61 types sometimes. I'm going to regret this later. Thanks guys. Thank you for tuning in. And inshallah, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow at 11 p.m. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other.